To set up your service levels, first go into Setup to the right-hand side and select on Employees. Then click on the Levels icon to the bottom of the screen. Here you'll be able to see the current levels, and if you'd like to create a new level, press New, enter in your level name and press Done. You can then select a color which will appear in the appointment book. You can also add a description and just ensure that this tick box is ticked on, so then it can appear in the level drop-down. Then press Save and Done. Then we're going to add it into our employee's profile. So we're going to go through and select our employee. And I'm going to then select my level here, and I'm going to press Save and Done. Step 2 is to then go into Setup and Services. And now we're going to link our services. So if I go into the cutting category, I press the plus sign, I select on my service and I press Details. So we're looking at the level here. So you can see here, this is the default level. And then I can link the apprentice level. So let's just say the apprentice actually takes an hour to do the cut and we only charge $70, whereas the senior can do that in 30 minutes and we charge $90. So once you've gone through and added in your appropriate times and prices, then we can press Done and we can exit the service screen. And now we have to go into our configuration settings and just tick on one tick box in here. So we're going to go into General Appointment Book and just ensure that the Resize Moved Appointments to Match Employee Level is ticked on. And then press Done. And what that means is Chris here is the apprentice, so he takes an hour to do the haircut, whereas Lucy is the senior, so she only takes 30 minutes. So if I was to move the appointment in a different column, that tick box will ensure the time will resize. So if I move Kelly into Lucy's column, it will automatically change the time to only 30 minutes. And if I move this haircut into the apprentice column, it will then stretch it out to 60 minutes. So it knows that time frame. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you is what it looks like in point of sale. So if I go to check the customer out, you can see here, Chris, we only charge $70 as an apprentice. But if I was to change this to Lucy, who's a senior, it then changes to $90. So that price also automatically comes through to point of sale as well.